Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the explosive movement today. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But with today's price movement, definitely a whole lot of updates need to be done. So much so that I'm going to go ahead and do quite a bit of house cleaning here because these levels, sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. But so let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first big update that comes about, though, is based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and that's where 1115 comes into play. Going into today was an area of resistance, although what I'm going to do here is actually adjust this down just a little bit and call the main area of support going forward, and the ideal level right here at 1090. What do I mean by ideal? Or if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would definitely be if the price can stay above 1090. Now, if you want to keep that 1115, I wouldn't argue against that. But like I said, just to give the price a little bit of wiggle room there, 1090 seems to be that level where, yeah, again, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above there, that would be a massive sign of strength. But also, if the price goes to 1090 and breaks below it, that doesn't mean that all of a sudden the entire chart's epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture, that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because when it comes to gauging the health of the move being defined as from those lows to where it is right now. So you want to judge, the health of that, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can just visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 1090 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as areas of resistance, nothing fancy or complicated here, just a question of where did the parting momentum stop today, and that all occurred right up there around the $12.15 mark, so watch that very closely. But all in all, powerful move today. Let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.